Hey guys, it's Phaedra from All Things Phaedra, and she's on the go, and I'm here to talk to you about this lovely accessory that I'm wearing. If it looks like a black rain poncho, that's because it is. How do you like it? This poncho comes courtesy of November Rain. This is a great company, a small company that produces rain ponchos for women that don't look like those ugly trash bags that you get at the amusement park. And in fact, this is a poncho that's easy to carry with you, and you won't want to throw it away at the end of the day. It comes in a little pouch like this, and I'm going to talk about that pouch in just a minute. But what I want to show you with this raincoat is the quality of it. So it's got zippers, it's got snaps, it's got some snaps here on the edge, but it does have a very wide shape, which means it is one size fits all, and you can wear it over a winter coat. I actually did that. It comes with a removable hood that you can tighten with the strings if you want, and if you like to put a little more splash in your day, unlike me, I stick with classic things like black. It comes in a wide variety of patterns and colors that look really, really cool. Now, the best part about November Rain is that they believe in giving back, and so 10% of their proceeds go towards clean water projects all over the world. That's not only clean water for drinking, but also water projects that help sustain communities, like irrigation projects. Now, what is the best part about a raincoat or a rain poncho? Well, the best part are the days when you don't need it, like today. It's actually a sunny day. I'm just back from Maine, where I had nothing but cold, rainy weather. It's a beautiful day today, so I don't need the poncho. But if you are like me, the idea of putting it back in the pouch to take with you is a daunting task, and I thought that's what I would show you about the November Rain poncho, how easy it is to put it away so that you can put it in your bag and take it with you whenever you need it, and that way you don't have to keep a hand free for your umbrella because you don't need one. Did I make it look easy? It is relatively easy, and this is so small and convenient that you can put this in your purse or your suitcase whenever you're traveling. And remember, if you're more than a classic girl like me, they have all kinds of fun patterns, just like this tote that they sent me. So thanks for watching. If you like November Rain, I have a link to the rain poncho down below, and I hope you subscribe and come back for more videos just like this. See you next time.